Hi folks, if you're watching this, then you have had complications with this new style thingy, whatever the heck you want to call it, for recharge hoses. And these new style cans that do not have a puncture like the old style cans. Now, to tell you the truth, the instructions are about as worthless as you can get. For starters, on your gauge hose, you want to have this all the way unscrewed. Set your hose aside. Pull out the stupid adapter. Now, thread it onto the can first. Get it tight, because these things seem to want to leak. Attach your hose to your low pressure side fitting. Why? Well, if you don't know why you do it to the low pressure side, then maybe you shouldn't be watching this. Just putting that out there. You always fill from the low pressure side. And now you take your can and you screw it down on. And just let it sit there like normal. So I hope folks that this helped you out a little bit with these new stupid adapters, new EPA compliance. I understand it. There's idiots out there that don't use the whole can, so they don't. They just vent it to atmosphere. So, thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. Please comment, rate, subscribe.